The USS George H.W. Bush is an impressive feat of engineering. As the final Nimitz-class carrier, it represents the pinnacle of naval technology. It's a symbol of American naval power. Christened in honor of the 41st President, a decorated naval aviator, expected to remain in service well into the 2050s. The 10-month overhaul involved a series of significant upgrades. These were designed to keep the USS George H.W. Bush at the cutting edge of naval technology. A key area of improvement was the ship's communications systems. Modern warfare relies heavily on seamless communication and data sharing. The upgraded systems allowed the USS George H.W. Bush to integrate seamlessly with other naval and air units. The ship's combat systems also received substantial upgrades. New weapons systems were installed and existing ones were modernized. These enhancements ensure that the USS George H.W. Bush can effectively counter a wide range of threats. From enemy aircraft and missiles to surface vessels and submarines, the ship is equipped to handle any challenge. The upgrades focused on improving accuracy, range, and response time, making the USS George H.W. Bush a truly formidable opponent. Navigation systems were not neglected in the overhaul. The USS George H.W. Bush received state-of-the-art navigation and guidance systems. These systems provide the ship with unparalleled accuracy and situational awareness, crucial for navigating complex maritime environments. They also enhance the ship's stealth capabilities, making it more difficult for adversaries to detect and track. The USS George H.W. Bush was commissioned on October 7, 2006. The ceremony was a momentous occasion, attended by President George H.W. Bush himself. It marked the first time a U.S. president had witnessed the commissioning of a ship named in his honor. Since then, the ship has been deployed to various corners of the globe, playing a critical role in numerous operations. The recent 10-month overhaul was not the first major maintenance the ship has undergone. In 2021, the USS George H.W. Bush completed an even more extensive 30-month maintenance period. This major refit involved a complete overhaul of the ship's propulsion system, including its shafts, propellers, and rudder. The ship's electronic and combat systems were also extensively modernized during this time. These rigorous maintenance periods are essential for ensuring the longevity of Nimitz-class carriers. The USS George H.W. Bush, like its sister ships, is a significant investment for the U.S. Navy. Regular maintenance and upgrades ensure that these vessels remain operational for their intended lifespan of 50 years. Following the 10-month overhaul, the USS George H.W. Bush embarked on a series of rigorous sea trials. These trials are designed to push all systems to their limits, ensuring they function flawlessly under demanding conditions. The trials involved testing the ship's propulsion, power generation, combat readiness, and various other onboard systems. The successful completion of these trials is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the shipyard workers and the ship's crew. It also signifies that the USS George H.W. Bush is once again ready for action. The ship is scheduled for its next deployment in 2025. This deployment will likely see the USS George H.W. Bush return to familiar waters in the Middle East or the Asia-Pacific region, where its presence is a constant reminder of American naval power. The USS George H.W. Bush stands as a testament to American ingenuity and naval dominance. As it embarks on a new chapter in its illustrious service, the ship remains a symbol of American strength and resolve, ready to face the challenges of the 21st century. The ship's continued service is a reassuring presence in an increasingly uncertain world.